the very first day of October. This is my very favorite month of the whole year. This year it is extra special because I have committed to Vlogtober. October 1st is also basically the first day of Halloween, though we kind of celebrate Halloween all year. My house kind of looks like Halloween all year. I dress like this all year, but it is extra special during that spooky month when the earth starts cooling down and the leaves change into beautiful colors. The whole world takes on just a little bit of that spooky energy that we love so much. I thought for my very first ever episode of Vlogtober, I would talk about one of my favorite aspects of the season, which is food. We went to a farmer's market last week. It's really more of a farm stand than a farmer's market, but they have so much. It's not really that much difference. It's ran by some really great, really friendly people. We hit it as much as we possibly can. We're fortunate to have it about 10 or 15 minutes from us, and the prices are just unbelievable. Some stuff I did already cook already, so I'm just showing you some of my favorites that I held back. I got 2 of these pumpkins. I absolutely love pumpkin. I'm okay with pumpkin pie. I've made pumpkin pudding in the past that is absolutely phenomenal. Usually I do use canned pumpkin for that though. If you want to see my pumpkin pudding, definitely comment below and I'll try to make that a part of October. If not, we have tons of time to do it throughout the holiday season, and it is great to add on as a dessert or even a breakfast. It's really healthy. It's okay to eat it for breakfast, but tons of time through the fall season, not just Vlogtober, to cover that. So let me know if you want to see my pumpkin pudding. It is also dairy-free, gluten-free, and paleo, as everything else that you're ever going to see me make are. So with this, you can cube pumpkin and put it into stews or as a side dish, or even with bacon. It's fantastic, but my absolute favorite application for this is pumpkin fries. We do them in the air fryer. I use definitely a little bit of a spicy seasoning. So I'm going to show you how I make my air fryer pumpkin fries, and then I'm going to do a different video showing you some of my favorite sauces, including a homemade paleo mayo. These are all super healthy, so you are going to see that for sure. This is a butternut squash. This is so good for you. Aldi also just came out with some steamable bags of cubed butternut, which have been awesome if you're in a pinch, just to like throw in the microwave, throw some protein with it, season it up, and you're good to go. But I also am probably going to do my favorite squash fries with this. I love fries. I really don't eat potatoes a lot. This is a better type of starch by far. It's definitely easier to digest and it has more nutrients, so it's a lot better for you. And then this is my favorite squash. This is delicata. Going bad. This is delicata, or sweet potato squash. It's got this like off-white color, but then the divots always have like a beautiful orange or green color to it. So this farmer's market, like I said, everything is farm fresh. I got 2 of these beautiful pie pumpkins. I got 2 butternut squashes. Those are huge. I got 4 of these, a handful of jalapenos and banana peppers and some bell peppers, which we went through those. Those you have to go through fairly fast. We got all of this and maybe a little bit more, and I think our bill was $26. I can't stress enough, hit up your favorite farmers markets. They are fresh. You're supporting a local business. You're getting way healthier food without the preservatives, without anything added to it to keep it fresh. It makes it way cheaper and easier to eat healthy this time of year. Even towards the end of summer, I start getting excited for the farmers markets because I know this is the kind of stuff we're in for. Honestly, within a month, Ragnar's going to be so sick of pumpkin. It's stupid. I could eat pumpkin every single day and never get sick of it. Oh, especially the way I make it. The dogs also love to see pumpkin because it is one of their favorite things. I'm going to show you each one of these squashes, which pumpkin is technically a squash. I keep saying squashes. If you didn't know that, pumpkin is a squash. I'm going to show you each of these squashes in my absolute favorite recipes that feature them. Maybe throughout the holiday season, I'll show you some other things where my recipe videos now are typically just pictures or short videos with written directions. I will actually be doing full-on cooking videos for Vlogtober for all 3 of these items. So I'm going to be doing a bunch of cooking this weekend. I'm going to take you along for the ride, which can be wild sometimes because I have a house full. So let's hope for not complete and utter chaos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy October, happy Vlogtober. If you yourself are doing Vlogtober too, comment below. I'd love to check it out and see what you're doing. Other than that, I will be seeing you guys a whole lot this month. So until next time.